400-watt precision mini lathe, 7x12. RPM. This is about 1400 here. Throw it in reverse, show the reverse is working as it should. Run this bad boy on out here. Super smooth bedways. And let's see here, put it forward. And we'll get the drive feed going here. And we'll engage the screw. That way. And let's run it on over this way. Self-feeds for itself, and if you don't watch it, of course, it will run into the chuck. I'll stop it there. Almost turned it the wrong way. Beautiful shape, better than new. All set screws are adjusted and tightened. All bedways are smoothed and greased. Comes with the follower rest, the steady rest, all the gears, tailstock, and original packaging and owner's manual. That's it. It's clean as can be. There's a little grease on there.